Welcome back, guys, to the trading room. Today is the 2nd of April 2023. We are going to take a look at the markets, at the charts, and see if we can find anything, if we have to, manage our trades the way we have to manage our trades, and see what's new, what's going on. Let's jump in, and we are going to take a look at the S&P 500 here on the daily chart. As you guys remember, I have here shown a uptrend, very choppy uptrend all around the 4,000 level. It's like a magnet pulling the market down. Today we have this down candle so far. Let's see how the day will end. Our signal chart is the 4-hour chart. So we have this nice uptrend, then this momentum move. Then we got this breakout of this top here. But then we had quite a steep pullback testing this top. Remember, if you look at the video from yesterday and the days before, I talked about this top here. This high has been tested. Then we got a strong up move on Thursday and Friday last week. And Monday was a quiet day. And today, look at that. Boom. The market came back down and giving us some kind of some strange information, right? I mean, it doesn't really give us any direction at the moment. Tomorrow is the big federal funds rate, so that shows already there is volatility coming into the market. It's a little sell-off today. I was planning and I was looking to go long on some sort of pullback, but just look at the dimension of it, of this candle comparing the other ones. Although it kind of retraced, it's the 4-hour chart, it pulled back up around 50% of it. Still, I'm seeing still upside, and it would be a nice entry long here. Yet tomorrow is this big news day, and I want to see the market a little lower. I missed out here. I was not in front of the screen, so I could have gotten long around this 4,100-ish level, 4,110, with the stop right down here. Let's see if the market pulls back down a bit before we close. Maybe I'm going to take this trade to the upside. Let's take a look at the at gold. Actually, something happening in gold. Look at that, huh? After quite some time, we are in this long trend, uptrend, and we have this big daily candle here. So far today, let's take a look at the 4-hour chart. Uptrend, consolidation, 2000 level, as I mentioned, really strong level. And yesterday we were below, and guess what? Today, boom, we are above. And we kind of broke out, sort of, but in order to establish like a new trend, or let's say to get the uptrend back up and running, we have to see something like this. And actually we kind of seeing this happening. So we got this low here, right? This is the interruption of the this low. So we had this interruption of the trend, just a single interruption so far. And then the market moved up, didn't make a lower low, right? It stopped right here. So we have a higher low, and we got a higher high, and we got this breakout now out of this higher high. So that means we are looking maybe for a continuation up and then a pullback down, and we would buy right here on this pullback. We are not trading the breakout. It's an option. We could also anticipate the breakout, but it's an aggressive style, and tomorrow is a big news day. We don't really care about news, but those kind of news everybody has to, you know, take in consideration. And I just don't want to throw in our position and you know, tomorrow the market is going to be maybe really volatile. So I'm gonna hold my horses here. The plan is the following: we got this higher low, higher high, and we got this breakout today. Yeah, it actually broke out of this high. So now we want to see something like this. Market continues a little bit up, comes back down, testing this high, and this is where we're going to enter with a nice stop below the 1980 level. That would be a nice trade idea. Let's see and wait how things will develop. So at least some new information in gold that gives us some kind of idea what we could do. And yeah, let's see if this is actually working out the way I'm planning on. So daily chart, euro, yeah, I'm in this position quite a long time now. We have a little down move today and now pushing back up for our chart. I'm long, as you can see, since quite some time. And yeah, the stop is still holding, yet doesn't really look so good, huh? Does it? But I'm just gonna stick with it and see what's happening. I'm not gonna, you know, play around and switch directions or whatever. My decision was made. I think it was made on the 13th of April, and it was made after we had this high here. We got this breakout of this high. We got the pullback. We bought on the pullback. It kind of moved because I scaled in, and the scale in stop was already hit. Then down, and yeah, up and down, up and down. Look at that. It's, what can I tell you? It's quite boring. But what can we do? It's the 4-hour chart. It takes some time for the market to develop. Hopefully, I still, you know, trade with the trend. Don't forget about it. I'm still on the long side. Our stop is still holding. Tomorrow, maybe, you know, it's going to be the last day of this trade, but maybe we get a nice push up. We don't know. The scenarios are always this, you know. First scenario, up. Second scenario, maybe go sideways, or third scenario, down. We don't know what's going to happen. Nobody knows. So we are going to stick with this long trend because we are in an uptrend, and that's why we are on the long side. Last market, the DAX, having this nice support level makes me really relaxed about this trade. I will show you this uptrend, now breaking out of this high and testing this support area. I showed you on the daily, now on the 4, 1, 2, and 3. And of course, so far this area is holding, makes me feel really comfortable. Let's see if the stop is far enough to basically, you know, hold. Today, yeah, in the morning the market was up, but it didn't went up enough for me to break my stop, to break even, to move my stop to break even. So I'm still in the trade. I will still give it some room for the market to, you know, find its direction. And that's it. Yeah. So guys, stick with me. Tomorrow is going to be a big day, a big news day, mainly the biggest news day maybe in the month. And the only real news day we care about is tomorrow. So I'm not going to just trade crazy here and try to open 10 positions. Like I said, the S&P, I'm thinking about you know, entering the market long in this kind of area here, maybe 4,100. Maybe it's already too late again. Maybe I was too slow here, but thinking long, seeing upside, and this is what we do. We trade what we see, not what we think. If I say thinking long, I mean it's because we are seeing long. Gold, we are waiting for this nice breakout, maybe then a pullback. We're gonna buy also to the upside. Yeah, guys, the euro is long. It's not moving much. Let's see if the stop will hold. And last but not least is the DAX. Same thing, we have this nice support area here, which gives me a lot of confidence. But you know, we will see how it will develop. Thank you for watching. If you like the videos, subscribe to the channel. I will give you daily updates on the market, S&P, gold, DAX, and the EURUSD. Take it easy. Thank you. Bye bye.